Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized and loving memory keepsakes. In this video, we're going to take a look at our DIY funeral program template we call Windsor. This template is available in 6 colors of gold, blue, gray, pink, purple, or teal. Our template is from our Borders and Frame Funeral Programs collection and is available for immediate download. You can edit our DIY funeral template in Word, Publisher, Mac Pages, or online via Google Docs. You can print this program on a letter-size paper printed front and back and folds down the center for a 4-sided program. You can add additional pages if desired to create a booklet-style layout. The front of this template offers a classic double frame border with inset corners set around the perimeter of the front cover on a white background. You may place a photo on the front if desired, as we show in this example. This design is further embellished with our beautifully written word art that reads, "A Celebration of Life." This title can be sized, moved, or removed if desired. The inside of the program offers a soft pastel golden backdrop that is a nice complement to your personalized text. As with all of our templates, we include filler text to help guide you along, but you are free to change it and personalize it to your individual service. You can print the completed program on your own home printer at a local print shop or use the Funeral Program site professional printing service. We can also put together the program for you with our customization service. Our friendly customer service team is here to assist you as much or as little as you need. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming helpful videos, only available here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.